Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Selenia for those who do not know, and today for you I have an empty apartment tour. So this is my first place moving by myself and I'm super duper pumped, and I wanted to show you the place that I picked because I have so many different places that I toured, but I just wanted to show you the place that I'm gonna call home for a little bit. So if you enjoy videos like this, or if you want to see more what's on my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and let's get into this apartment tour.
Okay, so this is the front door. I live in an upstairs unit, so come on in. Okay, so at the top of the stairs, we have my kind of like utility-ish closet. So this little thing's here. I don't really know what that's called, but that's here.
It's a water heater.
A water heater. And then what's really cool, which I'm super pumped about, is I have these Whirlpool washer and dryer. So I'm super pumped. I could fit like all of my what are they called? Like comforters in here and stuff like that. And nice, new and fancy. So I'm super pumped with having that in my apartment. Because some of the places you have to like go to a weird place to get it, and I'm not with that. Okay, so this next space is like a living room, dining room, kitchen combo. So it has a really nice open floor plan, which I love. So I'm kind of able to make this space my own and however I want to do it. Some ideas that I have would be like my couch to go here, my table to go here with these two small stools that I have. I'm not sure what else I want to put in here yet, but I know when I see it at the store that's when I'll buy it. I'm also not sure if I want to put a TV in here yet or what I want to do with it. I may just put one in my bedroom. I don't think this space is like TV equipped. But then over here on the island, I'm gonna put a bunch of bar stools because there's not many people living here. So then I'm able, when people come over, they can just sit here or sit on the couch, do whatever they have to do. So come on more in so you can see an in-depth of my living room, dining room, kitchen. As you can see a little bit more in depth, we have a nice big living area here. I'm super excited about that. I'm not quite exactly sure how big this space is, but I feel like it's big enough for what I need for myself. Also, we have all of this space over here that kind of is behind the stairs that you walk up. We have my nice thermostat over here. I can basically do a cartwheel in here. That's how nice and big it is. I know you can hear the echo. So I'm really super pumped. And then now we're gonna go over to the kitchen so you can see where I'm gonna be whipping up all my meals. Next, in my little kitchen living room area, we have this like odd window here. I'm not quite exactly sure why it's here, but I realized once you see in my bedroom why it's here. I think it kind of brings a little bit of light when I have all of the blinds open. I didn't keep the blinds open because I don't want anybody to know where I live. So we're trying to make it, you get a tour without knowing my exact address. But this, I guess, is supposed to have a little bit of light to peek through into the bedroom. So we'll see how that goes. But moving on to one of my favorite parts would be this nice, huge island here. Like you can see how big it is. I can't even reach the other side. As I mentioned, I'm gonna put some bar stools here, and then my apartment decided to give me some wine, some Merlot, and some cleaning supplies, and a little welcome card. I haven't opened the card yet, but it's here. I'll open that later once I get a little bit settled. I really like the nice deep kind of farm sink, so I'm able to do the dishes that I'm gonna need to do. And then we have the water here, and then you're able to take this off and do what you need to do. Super pumped. We also have these nice lights that came with the apartment, which I feel like a lot of their small details really made this place, so I'm excited. And this kitchen, as you can see, has so much cabinet space. So we can start over here, but there's cabinets on cabinets, and they're deep. So like I can put so many things that I need in here, all of them. Some I'm probably gonna need a step stool to like be able to get this stuff on the inside, like at the top, but I'm gonna use all the storage. And all of my appliances are Whirlpool appliances, which are really, really cool. I have a nice big fridge, so I'm able to put all of my food, my snacks, I'm good to go. And this fridge also comes with like a water filter on the inside, so I can save the world without getting so many bottled waters. So here's this, which is empty. It's empty. It's an empty apartment door. And then here goes my freezer. But here's all the counter space, and I'm able to cut. There's so many different outlets, so I'm able to charge like my Alexa can be plugged in, my phone can be plugged in, everything can be plugged in. And here's a lot more of these drawers, as you can see. And here goes my microwave above the stove.
I'm not a really big microwave person except to like make some popcorn. So here's this. I don't know how much use I'll get out of it, but I'm sure when people come over, they can get their use out of that. I'm more of a heater up in the oven type of gal. So we have this Whirlpool electric stove. As you can see here, has a nice 2 racks. I'm gonna be chefing it up. And there's also some space down here in the bottom, which I don't even know what that's for. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's there. And I'm not really used to an electric stove, but I guess I gotta get used to it now. I'm used to gas, but hopefully my meals taste the same on here. And here goes more cabinet space. It's kind of getting redundant, but there's a whole bunch. Here we have some more cabinets, but just on the other side of the island. I'm not gonna go through this, but this is gonna be like my storage with all of my cleaning supplies and stuff. And what I love is that I can't even open up, I'm so excited. I have a dishwasher. So now I can wash all of my dishes and not have to do it by hand and get old granny hands. Like, my hands are gonna be staying looking youthful. So I'm very excited for this dishwasher, and I'm gonna be using it all the time. Now this is my bedroom. I feel like I like it a lot. It has a lot of space. You have a little nook when you walk in, so it kind of makes it bigger. It's gonna be plenty enough space to be able to fit my queen size bed, a dresser, and maybe a TV in here. I'm thinking maybe putting my bed this way, and then, or maybe here, so that I can fit 2 dressers and then my TV on the back wall so I can mount it. But I just want to make as much space as I can as possible in this space. One downfall, we're gonna get to the closet, which is bomb, but one downfall is that I don't really have any natural light in here, which is why I think that they had this window here to kind of make natural light. So like here, it's like 7 p.m. and like this is all the light that I'm gonna get in, but I feel like that's fine because I work late anyway, so it should be fine. But moving on to the closet, which I'm super excited for to fit all of my clothes, if I can open it, would be this closet in here. It's so nice and spacious. I can fit in it and I can go back and forth, and it's awesome. I have racks over here, 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 and 5 racks. These are gonna come on inside, 5 racks here. And there is a light here, which is super awesome too. So I've been sitting in the dark, but I didn't need to. So here's all of this space, and I feel like I can use so much. My shoes are probably gonna go here. All of my clothes are probably gonna go over here. Now this is just another excuse for me to get even more items. So I'm pumped. And then all of like my totes and little things can also go in here. So I feel super happy about that. So coming out of my bedroom, we're gonna go into my bathroom. Before we do that, I have even more closet space here, which I think I'm gonna make into a coat closet and like my seasonal closet, things like that. So I have a lot of space in here. And then now we're gonna walk into the bathroom, which is again, nice and spacious. This whole apartment is like huge with storage and space. And that's another reason why I picked it, because I was like, I have a lot of things, I need space. So walking out in here, you can see the sink. It's nice and deep, a lot of counter space, so I can put all of my facial products. My hair products can fit in these drawers, which I obviously need. And the beautiful light fixture came with the apartment too, so I don't have to worry about that. We obviously have the toilet, which everybody has. And then we have this nice big shower. So it's nice and big, and I can take a shower, wash my hair in here, have enough space, not break my arm, and it's super cute. So I'm not really a big shower gal, but I have to become one now, and I'm totally okay with it. So let's just do the final little touches of the tour, and it's a wrap. Okay, so the last little piece that I have is my patio. I'm not going to show my patio due to privacy reasons, but it's a nice sized patio that has a good view of nature and everything that I need to see to get relaxing, so we can get some patio furniture out there. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys supporting my channel. Make sure you like this video if you like. Subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you want to. Stay on the lookout for more moving vlogs, home decor, because I have so many ideas and I can't wait to show you guys along. But now it's time to go, so follow me along so you can get out of my place. Let's go. Bye, beautiful.